if you just took 2018 as the regular way production level of Boeing and Airbus, we're almost 3,000 aircraft light of that over what they've managed to produce in the last 5 years. So if they had kept 2018 production levels throughout the last 5 years, there'd be 3,000 more aircraft in the world. Bear in mind, Boeing and Airbus will only make about 1,200 aircraft a year. So even when they do get back to those levels of production, the challenge that faces the industry is the technology of these aircraft. The aircraft and the engines just do not... Say that again, Phil?
I'm sorry to interrupt you there, Angus. Are you comfortable with that technology? Or are you saying, even as you see advancements in things like fuel efficiency and lower emissions, the technology is just not developing fast enough?
It's not durable enough, Phil. It will get better. But the problem is, when the engines come off wing faster than anyone expected, the network isn't there to repair these engines. The parts aren't there to repair them. The spare engines aren't there. So at a simple level, historically you might have needed 10 aircraft to fly a certain route. Now you need 11. And in AerCap's position, we are the largest owner of aircraft in the world by a country mile, to be honest. We're the largest owner of spare engines in the world. And we've seen significant increases in aircraft values, lease rates. And the way the airlines are reacting, Phil, is what they're doing is they're saying to me, we need to hold on to these older aircraft for much longer than we ever thought, because we cannot rely on the durability of the new technology assets. And it's going to be a long time before Boeing and Airbus get back to the levels of production they want. So we see that lasting, as I said, for the best part of the rest of this decade.
Good day, everyone. Today we dive into a pressing issue that has far-reaching implications not just for aviation but also for the global connectivity at large. We are talking about the raw material shortage and the supply chain challenges facing the aviation manufacturing, a sector vital to our global economy and way of life. The aviation industry, a marvel of human ingenuity and collaboration, is currently navigating through a turbulent skies. At the heart of the challenges are shortages in critical raw material, especially titanium and aluminium. These materials are the backbone for the aircraft manufacturing in their strength and lightweight properties. However, geopolitical tension, especially concerning major suppliers like Russia, have throttled the supply of titanium, causing significant disruptions. Giants of the sky, such as Airbus and Boeing, find themselves at crossroads, grappling with this shortage amid sanctions and geopolitical strife. The ramifications of this material shortage are profound, affecting major aerospace manufacturers like Airbus and Boeing. Supply chain challenges, coupled with logistical hurdles and labor shortage, have thrown ambitious production targets into disarray. Airbus struggled to ramp up production rate, and Boeing's difficulty with its 737 MAX and 787 program are testimony to the complexity of these challenges. Moreover, the shadow of labor shortage looms large, exacerbating issues from production to maintenance as the industry scrambles to find and train skilled workers post-pandemic downsizing. In response, aerospace manufacturers are not sitting idle. They are actively seeking alternative sources for critical materials, looking beyond traditional suppliers to mitigate risks. Automation and robotics are being embraced to counteract labor shortage, enhance efficiency, and reducing the human workforce's burden. Furthermore, the industry is exploring the frontier of additive manufacturing or 3D printing, aiming to lessen its dependency. As we navigated through these challenges, the resilience and ingenuity of the aviation manufacturing industry are put to the test. The steps being taken to mitigate these issues are not just about maintaining the production rates, but are pivotal for the sustainability and the advancement of aerospace technology. Together, through innovations and collaborations, The industry is set to soar above these turbulent times, ensuring that the future of aviation remains bright and boundless. That's all for me. Thank you for tuning in, and let's keep our eyes to the skies for where the future lies. Thank you for your attention.